My name said before I even started this work, me fa Uber, me call UK and other places and me fa Uber. To me fa Uber now see how to Yanaka. They take the money there and then. Maybe I will call yeah, because when you register you have to put in your debit or credit card inside. Say beya unya order pay. You better once a car na baby do. It's a bit different. Ghana bet me in car. My name Ghana, I don't even know if you can even pay upfront. I think you can, but maybe no Ghana no. It didn't give me that option. Here, it doesn't give you the option to even do cash. It's always credit card or debit card. Then you do something about it. That's what I know. And that's what I'm doing with DoorDash and Uber. I mean, try a Lyft. And Uber no crime in Fenipa because my car na me yes car to me toy. Misika so 2015, 2013. I bought something lower. Me Sikia Sportage, which is 2012. So that's what I do. I'm not shy. Me ferry at all costs. And sign your until you must work.
Yes, sign what you unya FM. Seven be morning show and yet FM ni free a year TV no. Yes, a Captain Smart and Fat TV now also fire a year radio no. And I ever fire a year GB a free a year Kumasi Akuma FM. And yet Oka Kano was a mummy mumpe na afino because na JB Tuja a wakoma a war now who should be an FM or Ghana Koma or whatever. And then besides what Tuja Otias here. And then Umi and Mission. What FM no our Kotra America. Yes, how are you?
I tell you, so car no, a old car. I can give you a new car. I can help you get a better car that you can use to do Uber. Uber Eats there isn't much. You're not going to get anything. And you're to be very honest with you, to be a wankasa with me, a 2 weeks I can occur and send you a children. Also, me power some long time. I am quasi a craving now here, a man will be a problem with Donipa. And my TV will be a cocoa around that. Also, kind of question 2015 so then there's a dangerous crowd. There's a cano. Manus a pima nipa won't and I don't want anything like that to happen to you. And I want you alive. I really love you, no homo, but no homo. And I really want to see you succeed in America. And what I can do to help you is that if you are going to open up to me, I can help you get a new car. I can help you get maybe a 2022 Camry or something. 2023 something.
One by Ghana Niba or Tia Gracia and no put the Ghana Niba and fancy baby. And no, and they're from Bema. They're Bema out to Facebook. Edit social media numbers, editing market. Bema, what they were for time, what time, where Bema. One for Ghana airport, one for Ghana airport. One friend America, one Ghana. For Ghana airport, where Bema. Bema or radio, so we're crying radio. Or social media. Social media, baby, I'm mad. Concert party. Baby, you concert party. So who you media? Or your Bema? One interview, former president. I was Ghana and who saw media.
As a woman, or yako 50 years, or above 50 years, or some member were Ghana Niba, why then? Wabre. In the first place, when a journalist sits on TV or radio to say this, you need to understand the level of intelligence. Ocean and Amma McBrown, any Italian box here what screen you swear. Utum said there's a vast difference. And Abroad where would almost 50 years can sit on TV. No, okay, say, remember Ghana, me worry about here, Nina, member to answer your friend Bema dia. Then, with all due respect, you know. Beman fan and some brand Honda Madin Chimagas, I love you that. I hit no wood. They may have a brache or mammy. Minia Bema, sorry. Italian money box. An hour every 2 minutes. And every minute, how much my wife is paid can take care of a year Angel FM all workers. Inti, what do you mean by Obara?
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Yan kanta egumi swasel empanyin so ne wafuru duapa ne piano na ne opa bibia kokotoko ne nye na bro o konfo e ho na meskani Twitter ye na me kire wo mo mashira wo ayo kase pia
gaga ai abusuanfo de embenfo mpe na meme odiam no meye de momom mpe no eno ena memeye ai apai ewo media no so amasabre no ensem kese bi asia sabe me bonkyere mu na me de amawo ama bibia so aye kama pa mi ankasa me nua ba eye nana ya Brefo e de ensem bia bedwa abusua wo ye U10 ewo eye media no so wo free radio TV sese de wo ye otwi Uber ho nsem aba bedwa Kelvin Taylor so ababonten so abeto to be amane eye nana ya Brefo a sabe no media so aye ho na ebisa say from the can say high to zero or from zero to high. You don't know, and I said, which is which? What you say? Abusia, ensem no adoso. Na sabre no, the videos and the captions. You better drop all the details down. Na edi amam. Abusia, Ghana for you TV. You wa be funtinta video kesi yene so. Na sabre beti ma subscribe. Na afe no ode o comment no edi ato ase edi amame. Meken kan na me di akire adasa. Ama ehu de eko ene de ba. Media ni odi amro Dennis Obadwemba. Twentwe ko be ma me ansani yakoza okuntum brekatachie wazazina guzrada otentem kuntemfu yetemenka yetemetefro abusia mame kwansemu na fe na mi swansemu na me fama ene na afe no ne hu ba bia o level abusia history and I say the news breaking news bia apie ama sabin mo amunim na ya Brefo ai oye ensentweni ya na ni eden okrum ha ai na fe ye obedane nsentwene na dipa ewa ya Adum TV Adum FM na ofa news no na so obobo a otumisa na ano ode pa abusuan afe so no yesa man another program na no asa host we na ekokwa na ofiri mu an ne menua be ma Captain Smart ebe join eye ekan say Angel TV afe Angel FM afe omni bobo ani ama yeyi eye Captain Edi kura ai mu am ya we yi Captain Edi e ma sadre no na ya Brefo beteki seat no so obabesia ba ya santo a obetimi lead seat no ana obe lead eye kan say Angel eye morning show no na dia kura nim onya eye program bia na ya to ni din eye apawa na ne di brutal na abusuan na banta no be start gigi pa wone eye kan say Kelvin Taylor but ena news eba na say ye say ne de na ya Brefo so wa hanging boot na wa free eye media nim ye say ne de wagiki a wa wura eye English abrochi mamu asabe no otwi Uber otwi taxi ai na ehun sem na manfo bobo asa say na ya Brefo kura na odwa nim kura onyo obi ai no akwakofa taxi na fe na otwi na ehun sem aba bebrebe ono no waba bonten ena waba be se there be enyani wu tie enyani wu se metwi Uber na enyani wu se mkrapo no me discourse sa nyama we na me de amamo abusu amayan kotie na ya Brefo ne nsem a o construct go eye afidie so e ma me misa kabia me nso so me bebo mu kyirem na mmom no after that no eye Kelvin Taylor ai the loud silence ono so di ababonten e da beto se na ya Brefo o te se koko boto a anas emo boto a ya saso ne ya shekin se ne ya si ho na oyemfantini santini ni ahurani a na no ya pa wo media no so Kelvin Taylor na no ya pa o kase wo ogro ho betima ogro ho we ama wa unsi yes of feel that way na abuso won so ababonten dia ba be share na ensema wakeka no won na ma story na ya story ai so won TV a wo de any kan tie na ya Brefo right after that you know ai Kelvin Taylor so akane nsem so e de ato yentie na ya Brefo yeah.
And a quick one. I know I've never told her and told you that I'm in the States and then at the moment me Uber. And I've received a lot of comments to be uploaded. One message was like, "Why by now? By the way, Johnny, now I bet now, Brucha, by Papa, by the way, Johnny." And I think I explained myself that there's a need for me to do something here. That is why I'm here. And somebody was also asking, "Oh, how are you using a visa, tourist visa to do Uber because or Canada want to mean yes sir." I didn't state how and I didn't tell you some the tourist visa Uber. You can't just even do it because they need to do your background check. So you have to put in your social security, you put in your details and they will do a background check on you before they will allow you to even start the work or approve for you to start. And that's what it is. Now, I'll take you on a journey. Obi Bisa, somebody was saying, how is it like there? Because Oye Uba or Ghana and the Ghana didn't see Ghana how to sing. Right, so me said before I even started this work, me fa Uber, me call UK and other places me fa Uber. And when I use Uber, you cannot own food to me fa Uber now see I wait to Yanaka. They take the money there and then. Baby, I will call because when you register, you have to put in your debit or credit card inside. Say beya unya order pay. You better once a car na baby do. It's a bit different. Ghana will bet me in cash. And in Ghana, I don't even know if you can even pay upfront. I think you can, but maybe no Ghana no. It didn't give me that option. Here, it doesn't give you the option to even do cash. It's always credit card or debit card. I don't know if there's anything like that, but what I know and what I did, and when I was registering, is what I'm telling you. Many other thing you can state it. And it's not like wako file than wako discover ni panho because Ghana you negotiate we are who could do now with Chiaka.
So my question is uchi uba wa babonten abe this process say uchi uba. So like what's the intention? What was akwaye then? Like minimum in church mo church then you have gathered all that confidence, the boldness and our babonten say we Uber driver as obabesia uchi Uber. I mean who say one of the can say movie star back as uchi hope say bars crowds who America or what? Yes, like it's not news for me. It's not news because you are bar when you're doing you are bar was to say yes, so you are very energetic and so like uchi Uber na a car said you'll be a driver as in a private car and other stuff. So if you want to use as a Uber as a commercial way, there's no news. Minimum there or minimum there like oh teach them okay. Let's listen to her. Yeah, now some the vital point to be a person who make it Ghana for.
And Sabia Akoto in Ghana no, the order no yet it's not always food. You don't get too much of food order. Most of the time food order they are riders deba. Because some of the companies or restaurants near there, they have riders but they also have riders who do Uber, DoorDash and pick up stuff. But what they do is that they give you the order with the amount of money and the distance you're going. Opa no afa. Distance you okay ma no afa and you okay ma.
There be your sister. The Ghana for about 2 year America bontin say odi a year car a year juma. And a waja ye sign wo ye onua FM. Seven be morning show and yet FM ni free a year TV no. Yes, a Captain Smart and Fat TV now also fire a year radio no. And I ever fire a year GB, a free a year Kumasi Akuma FM. And yet Oka Kano was a mummy mumpe na afino because na JB Tuja a wakuma a now also show be an friend or Ghana Koma or whatever. And then besides what Tuja, Otias here. And then Umimi and Umishiano. What Geneja can say? What Geneja FM on our Cotton America? Yes, show why you. There is a story, no. Yes, show why you. And besides, and I can say TV Trans near FM from Edwin who said that. Intimate trauma radio in Ukraine and man now. And your coffee, Mr. Speaker, and I'm from the year can say Kesman. One guy I know a morning show was in a dear on so coffee and then buy. Because it man and Ghana. We're even searching for some lady with so where are you? Because I now know that you pray for loss in other staffs, Kobe for the morning show hosts and other staffs. But your question is that I Brefo baby, woman can friend and other staffs. A moment needing come on and didn't offer but there about there are don't come back and forth like I hope say answer city. And besides that, you know, I have the food in the moon with mediums. So where are you? And the Busani coach you say, would you funny pakusi baby and what Jessica? And yes, are you doing Uber? And now, oh, yeah, day, we are taxi, and I did. And what about wanting? I bet you say, you say, oh, you Uber and pack, oh, you Uber, oh, America. And the only person who confirm now, oh, Chilemona, you Lucia, Jessica, who are the guy or the cat, who wants to our benefit car, no, you knew that. You know already, sister, you know already.
Then you do something about it. That's what I know. And that's what I'm doing with DoorDash and Uber. I mean, try a lift. And Uber no cry me fenipa because my car na me yes car to me toy. Misika so 2015, 2013. I bought something lower. You see Kia Sportage, which is 2012. So I can only.
Abusuya asem hana asem no ankasa wo What you say? Was saying, "Oya na adwin so akotena ye kan say English aburuchi memu na afi no akako twika no. And that's what akoye Uber no. Wonu ade ne bottom sika akwaso okoto car na mmom no because of say abudura aburuchi ra ye to car by numbers and a numbers na can a model number ye can once more. It's not about the plate number. Ghana ye to car by plate number. By your friend say where ye 2015 model. What you say? One car I can say in 2015, 2013, and you 2022, 2026, 2025. What you say? And recent or currently 2026, your car in 2026, and it's for netto. T also when yes can be anto from 2026, 2025, 2024, 2023, 2020, 2019, 2016, and only 2015 a year model car. And our team akakoto e hono na Kelvin Taylor team abeto pia afa jan abowura eye media ni abowura eye kan san eye na ya Brefo na ono de o se na ya Brefo ye ni nua bema because won se oba according to eye Kelvin Taylor was say na ya Brefo ye bema ni nua bema no because you si gina wa ye de pampe se you know like ni nua bema no what anyame na make eye Kelvin Taylor and eye kasasem eti zania ma no hono eye Kevin Abwawurum. Let's listen to this lady. After that, and Abwawura a year Kelvin Taylor. He said decoded the way I see decoded a year and I Brefo. Then try to enjoy this story. Try to enjoy it.
Big food. You know what I say? Makofo be a diane. And I'm the command. And me do her. I'll just put it there. Take a picture. Will be also a pin code. Now or the amount. And I say, Obuwa, you just hit. Shiawa or Jia, no, I completely order. That's it. So one day I'll take you on a journey with me the whole day for you to know what I do. So that's what I do. I'm not shy, me ferry, because Charlie, man must work at all costs. And sign your domain until you must work.
I want many a year or a year dream. Man must work because you will to a real house to struggle to battle. What I say, we have to say, you share him for free, na and you did it like minute a year, 100 over 100 completely. What I say, and the bold decision on what take is a no. So I had me a habit, Jimmy, because my year from the can say the high platforms from Adom, Angel, Unia. That's the highest platform. A wo media no more Ghana ha. Like one nam should be so if say abrabot sa power say wo bo anim na sa anya oda dan chire na afi ne bo ani ne bo wenwe. You also done any here.
And I'm not the type that depend on men. I mean, what am I magic? But I don't sit. I didn't have the opportunity to marry a scaffold. Because so brabetna 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and yes, no cry. I mean to me, me cram one place I yet and it probably will be difficult for me. So that's what I can do for now. I'm trying to see if I could do other things, but for now I can't just sit. I have to do some things. And the other name, and if you let me a picture video or company be open me promo ma ha. Let me I am. Or maybe 2 or restaurants and I me a promo. I can do it for you, no big deal. Oh,
Abusia, that is it. And then I Brefo at the Abishim, a whole and a Kelvin Taylor who's a video. And I'll say, Mr. X, Mr. B, Mr. K. And then besides, see the way how I can say a call Bedu Taylor will see any program no of any producers and any management no Mr. X Mr. K said the amount for whom kubo mutu nguamu into one of the use X and K only be and the letters no to me use to qualify the producers and the management no it's Abusia saying about can say a call Bedu Taylor. This man is very funny. It my intino.
Matisse so car no, a old car. I can give you a new car. I can help you get a better car that you can use to do Uber. Uber Eats there it isn't much. You know, you're not going to get anything. To be very honest with you, Sibia wankasa wetumi etu nwesi wa kan okore ansa na yebechew no. Me also me pewasem long time. Nkwasi ade kakra bi na wo ye ya e ma me no benya problem. And me I'm a very nice person no. Nana ya Brefo, Madam Nana ya Brefo. Me a very nice guy. Say what ben me pen would be a very wonderful guy, very good guy, and Midonipa, and my TV video be a cocoa around that. Also, kind of question 2015 was said, and a dangerous crowd. Next, Okano, Manusi Sunas, a Pima, Nipa, Wunkwana, Ediane never say, and I don't want anything like that to happen to you because, and you
I always see this man, right? As a grow Nipa on center, right? On say because I had someone because na ya Brefo car say well nya a year 2015 a year model car when timia ko to the when him 2020 2022 a year car what you say but we no be so be so the church no teaching like after all but what it seems as a one any con peaceful way it seems as a one any kasa so so ye na do ye na other stuffs like many video be like will be very crazy about this guy.
Worthy for people I ain't sure to sit inside dangerous and I want you alive. I really love you, no homo. Obama, but no homo. And I really want to see you succeed in America. And what I can do to help you is that if you are going to open up to me, I can help you get a new car. I can help you get maybe a 2022 Camry or something, 2023 something very decent. If you want something even
before say about what case we so no and I bet you about what the Kelvin Taylor can like let's go back a little bit young quite chile kakra what you say na yen hwe e kwan afa so a omumie no nya san tokwa no wo de hwe and then it started somewhere and my yentie story right after that we will come and continue from where we ended here
one ba wari Ghana ni ba o tie kurase an ho kire no no pede Ghana ni ba no felisi baby eno ene e fra Bema ne Bema on Facebook edi social media numbers edi mark Bema odi na no didi
so ahana banta no ehya ase eba because na ya Brefo ehoso eye e kansan the morning show na ya segment bi afa na Ghana power na ya Brefo gina ntenten so abera won tenase na waje akasam no which is eye microphone na afa ne the camera si tripod so de si ne so what you say na one guy bi ka no ho no wajeje ho kakra what you say eti obasa na ya Brefo gina sa Bema afa o fire back to back na afa no wada ama eye one na say Ghana and I say one na osusu say mistake and from so wo then we fire back to besides that ono na ye kwa Bedu Taylor also one tiase a ono so kwa ka ho asem ono no wa chire ho but the day is the fire Kelvin Taylor the capital to be wa yin so but one na ambia ni yi na ya Brefo be ni street e the mark Kelvin Taylor listen to I can say na ya Brefo
Bema what we time why Bema one me for Ghana airport one me for Ghana airport na so ba me so obada ben one free bro to America one Ghana me for Ghana airport why Bema otna radio so we kwa nya radio otna social media baby amadi agro hey concert party punchlines baby yi concert party so who ye media now what's ma abobra bobra onya ma omuti so ma Bema apre bibia be na dio dabi ma abobra ma asori ahomache power najo ye aduma ebua Ghana ne president oye Bema one interview former president the president I was Ghana here in so media often quite some
case na yekese afi no what you say afi abe personal of an kwase asem enso onko
wo pienso no obete me so our social media obete wo pienso no Ghana was starting MFI by some phone odi one minute nya Bema oti oboase oba be fa anyone go see America now you to wait.
Hey, this one is a very punchline, uppercut.
Masa Obuase from Obuase to Accra airport and now from Obuase to Nkran Uba Nkran now be hustle to say the hustle etua danka eboka ensio bisa me ben so Oba Nkran easy ana I thought I couldn't 5 city. I can't now. Is understandable. What is social media? And now you to away from a blast. Hey, down one and if I hear Quabo. Yeah, Yaquaba, yeah, American, yeah, Yaquaba. Yeah, for business class, Quaba could do 5 days, 10 days. Yeah, the outer one boss, nobody give me a song. Don't go anymore. Send phone call. I dare be a
These are the people.
Ono na eja otutu bi mane eye Kelvin Taylor. And also right after that, walk as that and walk as na Taylor no wada. Ai. Enti wo so re ye no mu ze ya ye ne magu nachi go. Enti Taylor so buy na was Mr. X, Mr. Q, Mr. Y, Mr. A. Ye nya adwuma. And ko fa eye kasna na kasna na Mac Brown. E buy. No, they be ye comparison. Said ye kind of saying, Nana ya Brefo jina we you ba no humpo ma. Shall mean to mean can someone like you would hear Kevin.
Who you were saying, say, we mono, omodomuti radio so many nyansa. Inti utien in 7 or cana. As a woman, or yako 50 years or abru 50 years. Or some member were gun and knee bar, why they wabre. In the first place, when a journalist sits on TV or radio to say this, you need to understand the level of intelligence. Hey, my fairy. But these are not things, I don't want to dwell on these things. Member Ghana, na member worry or buy yeni, na member ni ene beche se me bema. Erade. She's better. Ocean and Mac Brown, any Italian box here what screen is where Utum said there's a vast difference. I didn't even come here the day I talked about Mac Brown. I was talking to all of them that stop what you are doing. Try and make yourself better. But say and there Abroad where already be almost 50 years can sit on TV. No okay say me member Ghana me worry about here ni na member titina answer your friend me bema dia. Then with all due respect, no wonder. Say, Bearman fan and some brand Honda Marinchim say I love you that. I hit in the wood. Yeah. Initial name of focus.
A quarry of papa. On keep your webby. Nana Brefo Bearman fan some tonosum and then night. Man didn't chain. It heat when you move to it. So I can question.
Oh, BB, but Mr. I won't say we no engage. Then someone can NCC so. She was saying, say, a year or bow bobra. They may have a brache or mammy. Minia Bema, sorry. Italian money box. May have a bra. An hour every 2 minutes and every minute how much my wife is paid can take care of a year Angel FM all workers. Into what do you mean by Obabra? Where Verona or more Italian money box or white CB and I like it will be das here. It's a more I saw your bar. I Italian money box and I like it will be light one be das here. And as so you in time I saw your bar, meaning I bear my tenancy. I mean, church and you may be mincho. Yeah. Now, you see, Saman way or can send be time and or Casano. Now, I think I listed 1 or 2 or Casano. She talked about come to Ghana. See today, say only journalism Bioma. What would people say and say, yeah, Nana ya Brefo. Wait there, we associate you with nothing.
That is it. Sabrina Kelvin Taylor also so Kufa bi by another bantani jinem and a yebusa say a dear na kaka papa a dear na kusam by the mama by the amwakes a dear na siama Kelvin Taylor Sabrina or so or boy a year a cancer and I ya Brefo. My young good the new video na yeti na because a young child on night emphasize video no. I my NTO number I still don't get it and I still don't understand. My a year, kwa obedu. My yenti 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 a year, kwa obedu. My yenti
You are basically a piece of rag. It just moving around and saying you're a journalist. You have nothing that can be linked to your name. You have not broken a story before. You have not really done any journalistic work before. It's one case Yanfra was saying. That is what I was telling you. You need to have something with you. What do you have with you? So I angel 1 hour no Dieng what Dieng be associated what Nana ya Brefo Dieng news aba and mabekai. Why interview the former president? Internet and find Kyle. Oh, you see a level of ignorance. I feel Italian money box won't be the other one. Wow, prayer.
And our business, you think you can do it with me? I'm available. My old number now 0244284486. From WhatsApp. It's almost like 5 or thereabout. Here in the States, I'm sure it's about.
Abusuya na chese no as habre no chese se unimu a nana ya Brefo free media nim a otwi uba egisika sabre a omne kasa ya woda hoyi chese waje amanfo aduane a wode eko an waje amanfo aduane a chese ono no wode eko deliver na chese eno na Kelvin Taylor so be kan se onso abetwetwe no media no so ono ye bo kire wa na utie bi no nti abusuya mami fancy na memfam pem emfam aha ye Ghana for you TV ai na subscribe na share the file comment na on tia se de wo so tia se no fato ase na eni nkomo ewo ho na bibia be kama kwatenti bia be wi abobo no mami fancy na sabre de odi amono Dennis Makram
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Yan kanta egumi so asaw empanyimfo so ne wafuru duapa ne pia no na ne opa bibia kokotoko ne na bro o konfo e ho na meskani Twitter ye na me kye wo mo ma hyira wo ayo kase pia